Next question is, can we get it off again? Or will the balloon burst? Well, we got it off. Volume control there. And volume control there. Right, I was going to test it on the window, which we will still do, but I rested it on the chair. And it works on the chair. Basically, anywhere that vibrates. Well, that one's got a particularly nice tone to it. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.